Yeah, hi. Good afternoon, guys. I'm audible.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, any issue, guys?
No, Ravi, no issue.
Okay, fine. So, the people are revised last session's videos, guys. Can I expect this one?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, okay. Because without last session knowledge, if the anybody is thinking about that, it's not possible, guys. Okay, it's not possible. So because of that, I'm asking. So based on that one only, I will continue the session because it's a need every time again and again. I'm not the same thing. I can't repeat, no. So even I'm updating the
Yes,
videos on
Ravi.
YouTube also. So it's and even I said that a continuous dedication and hard work need in microservices, guys. Okay, if anybody thinking about that, okay, today's session is completed, we are there in the session and we are not doing the practicals. Forget about microservices, right? So need one time practice, then the things will come. 1 minute. Yeah, okay, let's begin the session, guys. Let's begin the session now. So okay, so where that microservice.
Good afternoon, Ravi.
Yeah, very good afternoon. Okay, so last weekend we seen that, right? This small application, and even we seen that how using what discovery client, how our one microservices will communicate to other microservices. I hope the people are completed till now.
Yes, Ravi. Intra
Yes,
communication.
yeah, intra communication. Very good, Pushpendra. Appreciated you. 1 minute. Where that folder microservices? Yeah, this one, right? This one we completed last time. Okay, guys. So
Yes, Ravi.
okay. So let's prepare some question about this application, right? Again, because today I'm going to wind up right what our, because we used which client now to fetch the data from the discovery. Which client I use now, guys?
Discovery client.
Discovery client.
Sorry,
Okay.
Discovery
Discover.
client.
Yeah, discovery client. But actually some more point we need to learn, and then because the real time discovery client usage is not there, right? Discovery client usage is not there. So we will understand next level client. Okay, then we will understand what next level client. So okay, so the thing is, guys, so here one question. Okay, let's prepare it. So question number A, one monolithic, right? Yeah, one monolithic application is what? Collection of modules, na? We seen that initially
Module.
collection of module.
Yes.
Come.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes. One monolithic application is what? Equal to what? Collection of
Modules.
what? Collection of module. Collection of modules. And what? Similarly, then what is that? Microservices application equal to? Anyone remember it? Guys, these are
Collection of projects.
yes, if the people, if you guys are giving interview related to microservices, every question interviewer will ask, guys. Okay, because of that I'm explaining every time these things. Okay, so without these things there is no microservices. So okay, good. So microservices, okay, one microservices equal to what? One module, right?
Yes,
No,
one
Ravi.
road.
One module.
One
One service.
Collection of projects, Ravi.
Yes. So one microservices equal to what? Or one module, right? One module
Is equal to one
equal to
project.
what? One project, right? One project. One
Yes,
project,
Ravi.
that is what? One microservices project. One what? Microservices what? Project, right? So okay, or we can say that what? One service also, na? Because service instance, we are reading one. What is that from the discovery server? What we are reading now, guys? Instances of what? Another microservices or not? Come on.
Yes,
We can
Ravi.
say,
Yes,
or we
yes.
can say one service. We can say what?
Service is
One
equal to one
service.
application.
Yeah, one service or what? One application. Clear? Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
After then what we learned now? So we learned what? Intra communication, right? Intra communication.
Yes.
Yes,
Intra.
Ravi.
Then okay, so what is the intra communication? We learn it, guys. What is the intra communication? One microservices application or one module, right? One module,
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
one module communicate
With other module.
communicate another module, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Another microservices, right? Another microservices are what? Another module, right? Module.
Yes, Ravi.
These things we seen na last time. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Yes.
But what is that? In intra communication, to communicating one application to what? Another application, we need what? One client, na, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Because without client, right? Without client we can fetch the what? URI from the discovery. It's possible. Come on, guys.
Not possible, Ravi.
Guys, last, you know, the because still I'm explaining last application only. Why I'm explaining and why every time I'm saying that? Even the last night, okay, today night itself also I said that without watching our video, don't join the session, right? So the thing is, guys, only one thing, if continuation is not there in your practical, right? So it's horrible to understand next level microservices session, guys. Okay, and every time I can't go, and even every time I can't explain what is that first day session, whatever things I explained. So please whenever you guys are attending the session, please cover up last sessions, okay, then the join the session, guys. Okay, because it's so horrible to explain me. It's so much horrible for me, right? to explain. So because of that, I'm saying just last session's videos, watch it, because the last new year is there. So we are not we are not taking the session, right? And even the last weekend also, only Saturday I took the session. Sunday, because of some personal, nowadays you know, the little bit personal things is going on in my family. So because of that, I'm also too much busy now, even in the Saturday Sunday. So but the thing is, guys, just watch the videos, right? Watch the video, join the session, then the people will understand. Okay, let's understand. So to fetch the record for so to fetch the details of other microservices, we need what? One microservices, na? Come on.
Yes.
Yeah, then what is that? Get instance. What is what the get instance will return now, guys? What the get instance will return? R to
List
make
of instances.
R to communicate what? One another microservices. To communicate another microservices, what we need? What? URI, na? URI plus what is that? Path. Come on, URI plus path, right? So that path, where from where we are
Yes.
getting that path now, guys? From where we are getting that path? We are getting from the that path detail from the URI, right? Discovery registry discovery, and from there, who is the taking care those things? Discovery client only, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So good. So now the thing is here. Okay, for intra, for intra communication, need what? Need what? What need, guys? Need URI, na? URL, sorry, need what? Need what? URL. And after then what we need, guys? What we need, guys? Come here, come. Now let's see that a property also. This is the cloud. Okay, good. So where the property now? We need what is that? Service instance also, na, guys? Come on, we need what? Service instance,
Yes,
right? Service instance. Now see here itself.
Yes, Ravi.
I'll show that. What is that? Service instance only, right? Come on.
Yes. Service
Yes,
instance.
Yes. So for intra communication, need what? URL plus what? URL and what? Service instances, right? Service instances. Service instances, right? Service instances from the, what is that? It is where this service instance is existing now, guys. Where it's exist in what? Eureka server only, right?
Eureka server.
Eureka server.
Yes, Ravi.
It's exist in what? Exist in what? Eureka server.
Eureka server.
Eureka, right? Eureka. Okay, to get the data from the Eureka, what we need, if we want to get the data from the Eureka, guys, what we need? One client we need or not? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
If we want to fetch, right? If we want to fetch the record from the Eureka, we need, what is that? We learn it, guys. Okay, here when I was explaining this diagram, I hope the people are remembering this diagram when I was explaining. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
Okay.
Ravi, remember.
So I introduce somewhat. I introduce at the time of explaining what? Some clients also, guys. Some clients also, guys. Anyone remember it, those clients' name?
Fin client, discovery client, and
Load balancer client. Very good.
load balancer.
Very good. Very good. At least you are doing the work, right? So this is only showing that what who is the really dedicated and who is the really serious about yourself, right? So okay, good. So we need what? One client, right? So to fetch the data from what? To fetch the data from what? Discovery client. Come on, discovery memory. We can say that discovery memory or discovery registry. Come on, from the Eureka server. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, Ravi.
Yes. Yes. To get what? To get data from what? To get data from Eureka. What we need, guys? What we need, guys? We use what? We use one client, right? One client type, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Anyone can tell the example of some clients now? Client type, right? What is the client type now, guys? First, we are now in this time, which client we are using now? Which client we are
Discovery
using? Discovery client. Discovery client.
Discovery client.
Discovery client.
Discovery client. This is, guys, legacy client. Okay, this is the legacy client. Okay, the company is
Legacy
not,
client.
yeah, legacy client. Okay, the company is not using. Okay, this client is not using the company. Why? I will tell, right? I will tell, because this client is not accepting what? Load balancer concept. And whenever we are working in the microservices, we load balancer, which one is a low factor of sorry, which service is having the low factor, right? So that one will return, right? So those, so for that, I will introduce today what? I will introduce what today? Load balancer client. Okay, another client we will learn. Okay, another client we will
Load
learn.
balancer client.
Yeah. So for that, what is that? How many types of load balance? How many types of clients are there now, guys?
3.
Three
Three
types.
types.
Yes.
3 types, Ravi.
Load balancer client, and what is that? Most usage is there this client only,
Fin
guys.
client.
Okay.
Client.
Yeah, the company is using what is that? Fin client. Fin
Fin
client.
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 This is what? This is the most usage clients is there, guys. Okay, this one we will learn brief, right? But the one or two example we will expand with the these right, this client also, right? These clients also, because we expanded last time we spent some time with what? Discovery client, right? So but what is the limitation of discovery client? I will tell, guys. Okay, because the clear picture will be there in your brain if I tell, right? If I tell, so that is the helpful for in interview, guys. So this question only for the interview purpose, guys. Okay. Because if you guys are not able to crack what? Interview, then until unless they will not deploy in the project now. So first, what is that? We need to crack the interview, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
And even I don't know the some people, the some people having no clarity about that. The people are asking how the people are asking the question. Sometime I'm laughing on that, those people, guys. Okay. So just tell me, guys, I'm right or wrong. One person is asking, once if I get the job, right? Once if I get the job, there is no need to what? Improve their my skills, na sir, because I'm preparing myself, and I'll crack the interview. When I will get the job, no need to learn anything. I said that ki once, okay, no one is know that, right? How many day, how many year, how many month that person will be deployed in that project. Once if you came to bench, right? Again, you need the company will give you what? Another client, and without taking the interview, right? The other client also will not deploy in that project, right? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
So
Yes, that's absolutely Ravi.
yeah, so see this, how the person is asking, right? He's thinking about the once if I deployed in the company, right? Once if I get the job, no need to what? Build their our skills and all those things. We are full here, I think, right? And we are learning.
Which kind of mindset of those people, yaar? So the thing is, guys, prepare yourself every time, okay? And you know, if in IT industry, if you are thinking I have more knowledge, it's a very bad thing, okay? No one perfect in the IT industry. Even just some little bit good knowledge and good experiences are there. I have, right? Those experiences I'm delivering to you people, okay? Except that if anyone is thinking about that Ravi or any faculty also, right? Anywhere, guys. If the people are thinking about he's having, no, guys, everyone having the some limitations, right? And that limitation, like what? Discovery client, just a discovery client, what limitation we are going to learn now? Same the human being limitation also there. I don't know.
Yes,
This
Ravi.
some people having
Yes,
the
Ravi,
ego,
yes.
some people having the ego, they are not accepting. I don't know. But guys, this is the reality. This is the reality. And if the person is accepting this one, right, then some success will come like this mentality also, right? If the person having little bit this kind of mentality, little bit success near to them, right? So in the IT industry, if anyone is thinking about that I'm perfect, try to make yourself perfect, but don't think about that I'm perfect in the technology. So okay, so
Yes, Ravi.
yes.
No one knows everything.
No one knows, guys, okay? Just a little bit experience is there in microservices. I have little bit experience. Those experiences I'm delivering to you people, right? So many things are not there. So many things are there, which one I also don't know. So because we are not like creator of microservices or Java creators, right? Just we are learning those things. That's it. So
Exactly.
yeah.
That's true.
Exact, Ravi, exact.
Yeah, the people, I don't know why the people are thinking about your ourselves. Oh, I have so much knowledge about the Java or any technology. So many things are there, guys. So okay, load balancer client, right? Load balancer client. Okay, so but what is that? Discovery. This is used to what? Fetch the service instances data from Eureka, na, guys. Come on, discovery using what is the discovery client? What we are doing now?
Yes, Ravi.
What we are doing now, guys? This is what? This is used to what? Used to watch
For intra communication.
fetch service
Service instance from Eureka server.
From Eureka server.
Yeah.
service instance, right? Service instance data from what? From what? Eureka.
Eureka server.
Yeah. Okay, so the thing is, guys, just think, see this. Okay, in which package this is the interface, guys. Okay, this is what? Interface. This is what? Interface. At its implementation classes is given by whom now? Eureka server. Eureka is given by what? This, it's an implementation class, right? It's implementation class. But what is that? Discovery is what? Client, sorry, interface. Come on.
Interface.
Yes.
Yes,
So
Ravi.
this is in which package this one is available now, guys? So now discovery client, right? This is the package name. Come on. ORG Spring Framework Cloud Client Discovery Client. Come on. And if you want to see
Yes,
that,
Ravi.
right? If you want to see this one, right? My system is hanging now. 1 minute, guys. Yeah. If you want to see that this is the interface, I want to open the declaration now, guys. Okay, I want to open, see this. What is this one now, guys? This is the interface only now.
Yes, Ravi. Interface only. Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, but its implementation classes, who is the given its implementation class now, guys? Eureka server. Sorry, Eureka is given
Eureka.
what? Eureka is given what? It's a implementation classes, right? Eureka, see, Eureka discovery client, right? So Netflix people is given what? Netflix people is given what? It's implementation class. Come on.
Eureka.
Clear?
Okay, Ravi. Yeah.
Yes,
Clear,
Ravi.
Ravi. Clear.
So, okay, in which package, if anybody is asking, okay, discovery client is what? Class or interface, then what is your answer now, guys?
Interface.
Interface.
Interface
Okay,
knowledge.
yeah, sometime they will check your knowledge also. Can you tell in which package that this one is available now? In which package this one is available now? Because why they are asking, I will tell, because another two client also there now. So some differences is there, because of that they are asking, right? Because of that they are asking. So what is that? So this is what, in which package this one is available? ORG Spring Framework Cloud Client Discovery Client, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the
Yes. Ravi.
question is what? Discovery client. Discovery client is a interface. Discovery client is a interface. This one will not come here. Okay, good. So its implementation classes is given by whom now, guys? Implementation classes is given by whom?
Netflix people.
Netflix.
Yeah. Yes. So implementation classes. So implementation class is what? Given by what? Given by what? Netflix.
Netflix people.
Eureka, right? Eureka what? Eureka discovery client, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
And what? Eureka discovery client is what, guys? Class. Okay, this is the implementation class. Come on. Netflix people
Yes,
is given.
Ravi.
Netflix people is given, but the class name is what? Eureka discovery client, guys. Okay, Eureka discovery client. You want to
Eureka
see
discovery
that?
client.
1 minute,
Yeah.
I'll show that one also. Declaration, open it, right? So Eureka discovery client, what is the package name now, guys? Netflix. Come on. Come on.
Netflix.
And
Eureka.
what is that implementation? This is what is the symbol now, guys? Anyone can tell?
C.
C means what?
C.
Class, right? C means
Class.
what?
Class.
Class. And
Class.
what is
Yes.
that? I means what? I
Class.
means
I mean
I
interface.
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 means interface.
So means what I said, that implementation class is given by whom? Netflix Eureka, right? And what is the class name? Eureka discovery client. This is what? Implementation class of what? This is the implementation class of what? Discovery client. Come on, yaar. Clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Clear, Ravi.
Okay, good. So now the next one is what? It is what? It is what? It is auto configure. It is auto configure object. Object by what? Spring Cloud parent project. Right? This one is what? This, if we want to use this client, okay, no need to add what? Any extra dependency or other dependency, right? It's this one is inbuilt in what? This is inbuilt in what? Which one? In which client? Sorry, in which
Spring
project
Cloud
now,
parent.
guys? In which project now, guys? Parent project. Clear?
Parent project.
So
Parent
Yes, Ravi.
project.
yeah, so directly we can use in our code, right? So we can directly use in our code or not, guys?
Yes, Ravi, we can.
directly we can use in our project. Even I used also, right? Even what this client I used na here I did not added any what any extra dependency I added. Come on guys, at the
No.
time of creating
No,
the
Ravi, not at all.
project, at the time of creating the project, right? So
No,
okay,
we did
good.
not.
Okay, so let's understand some limitation of what discovery client. Okay guys, so let's understand what some limitation of what discovery client. Okay guys, so limitation, let's understand it. Okay, so let's understand what limitation, right? Limitation of what discovery client. Limitation of what discovery client. Okay guys, so it is what returning what all services instant data from what Eureka server. Okay, so here what is that, what kind of list of what list of, okay 1 minute, I need to what show this diagram. So just we checked only one guys. Okay, just here what we are doing now, we are checking only one instances. Just think about that. It's not meaning that in what in a one project only one microservices is there. It's possible because here we are just learning, right? Because of that we took what only one microservices, right? So but in the real time, can you think about that only one microservices will be there in the project? Come on.
No, Ravi, no, not possible.
Right, so has what is that is what
Possible, but not recommended.
yeah. So the thing is guys, okay, just think it. Okay, so if multiple project is there, so here what is that list of what instances we are getting now, we here what we are getting now, list of instances we are getting now. Come on.
Yes, Ravi,
Yes,
yes.
Ravi.
So and what is that, and whenever we need to fetch, right, fetch URI about this microservices instance, right? So what we are using index number or not? Come on, at the last weekend guys, here what we are doing now,
Yes, Ravi. Array.
Yes,
list
Ravi. Using the
list of what
GW.
series, list of what get instances, one microservices is there, we know that. And because of that what we are doing now, we are fetching only one index of what instance here, service instance. So just think about that, if 1,000 microservices is there, so if we fetch like this, it's a horrible task or not guys, to fetching the what instances
Yes.
based on the
Yes, yes,
indexing,
Ravi.
based on the indexing.
Yes,
Even
Ravi, yes, absolutely.
even in this case we don't able to what find what is that which instance having what factor, low factor, load factor is less. We can't understand which what is the instance having what less load factor. So it's again our application will become what is that, what network traffic will increase or not guys?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Increase,
So
Ravi, yeah.
yeah, so this is the one limitation or not, this is a one limitation, right? So it is what it is returning, right? It is returning all service instance data, right? Service instance data from what, from what Eureka, from Eureka not providing what, not providing one instance, which has less load factor. which having less load factor, right? So here what, whenever we are fetching, right, if multiple instances is there, even we are fetching based on the induction, it will return, it's returning in the list. What is that? All instances at the same time or not, guys? We can expect it will
Yes, Ravi.
return based on the load factor data. Come on. No,
No, based on
load factor it will not. I think people are not reaching my point. Come on.
No,
No, na?
no, Ravi, no.
No, actually, I'm able to convince you guys. Just like the people are listening, just tell me. I will use another way.
Use another way.
Another way. Okay, so no issue. Okay, guys. So just assume that here, what is that? Based on that, what consumer, right? Rest consumer, what we are doing now? We are finding the, what is that? What we are doing now? We are fetching the what? Instances from the Eureka server. Come on. So just assume that
Yes.
here, what is that? Here what? Multiple microservices is there. So all microservices is registered in this what? Eureka server. So all what instances is available in the Eureka server na? Come on.
Yes, available.
Available, right? So but
Available, Ravi, available.
so but what we are doing now using discovery client, we are fetching that, right? Means what? Finding the what? Instances from the Eureka server. And the what the Eureka server is doing now, all instances is returning same time only. The what is that? Eureka server is packing all instances in the list, and
at the same time.
at the same time, and this one is returning. Can you assume that this, in this case, load factor will work? If at a time,
No, Ravi, load factor will not work.
load factor will not work. Why? Because load factor, if what is that, if every request will not come at a same time, right? Some time differences will be there na? Come on.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi, then only load factor will work.
Then the load factor will
Yes, ma'am.
work. Okay, still the load factor concept we will introduce in the, but assumption is there, right? Assume that. So if all microservices we will get at the same time,